Hello, this is Space Daily News and my name is Julia. Using the Hubble and Spitzer telescopes, astronomers have discovered two exoplanets that may consist mostly of water. A team led by researchers from the University of Montreal has found evidence that two exoplanets orbiting a red dwarf star are water worlds, where water makes up most of the planet. These worlds, located in the Kepler-138 planetary system, 218 light-years away in the constellation Lyra, are unlike any planet in our solar system. Astronomers have observed exoplanets Kepler-138c and Kepler-138d with the Spitzer Space Telescope before 2020 and also with the Hubble Space Telescope. Water has not been detected directly on Kepler-138c and d, but by comparing the size and mass of the planets with the models, astronomers have concluded that much of their volume, up to half, must consist of materials that are lighter than rock but heavier than hydrogen and helium, of which gas giant planets such as Jupiter are predominantly composed. And the most common of these candidate materials is water. With more than 3 times the volume of Earth and twice the mass, planets C and D have much less density than Earth. And this is surprising because most planets slightly larger than Earth that have been studied in detail so far have appeared to be rocky worlds like ours. The closest comparison, the researchers say, might be some of the icy satellites in outer solar system, which also consists mostly of water surrounding a rocky core. Imagine larger versions of Europa or Enceladus, water-rich satellites orbiting Jupiter and Saturn, but much closer to their star. Instead of icy surface, that would have larger shells of water vapor. But the temperature in Kepler-138d atmosphere is probably higher than the boiling point of water, and it is possible that this planet has a thick, dense atmosphere made up of steam, and just beneath this vapor atmosphere could be high-pressure liquid water, or even water in another phase that occurs at high pressures. Two possible water worlds, Kepler-138c and d, are not in the habitable zone, the region around the star where temperatures allow for liquid water on the surface of a rocky planet. But in the Hubble and Spitzer data, researchers additionally found evidence of another planet in the Kepler-138 system that is in the habitable zone. The newly discovered planet is small and farther away from its star than the other three, and its orbital period is 38 days. However, the nature of its additional planet, named Kepler-138e, is still an open question. Surprisingly, thanks to the discovery of another planet, scientists were able to clarify data on 2 other planets, presumably water worlds. And it turns out that Kepler-138c and d are twin planets of nearly the same size and mass. Perhaps when space telescopes and technology became even more sensitive, astronomers will find many more such water worlds. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.